Hello everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I had a comment on my Walmart video that from Donna. She said she couldn't see the pictures of the coloring book too well because she was thinking about trying to find it at her local Dollar Tree or store. So I said I'd do a quick video and slowly go through the coloring book so she can kind of see the pictures better. Sorry about my hands. I realize I'm all inked up again. Doesn't matter. My hands are... I'm a smurf tonight. So, of course, it's Colors of the World Coloring Activity Book. There's 48 pages. Cute images. So, I'm going to go really slow, and hopefully, Donna, you can see the images. So, when you first open the book, it looks like that. I hope I can name the camera. I don't want to bring it... Let's see if I can bring it up. Just there we go. Is that better? It looks like that. The paper's thin. I wouldn't suggest using markers on this or it will bleed through. And then we got this one. Then we got this one. Oh, I meant to look that up. I forgot. I still think that's the Taj Mahal, but I could be wrong. Images are cute. I will admit the images are good. They do tear out. They have that perforated edge so you can tear them out. I might have to pick me up another one of these because I like coloring a marker. There's this one. In this one it says, draw yourself ready to explore the Artec temples. Artec, I may be saying it wrong, but that's that image. And then there's this one. And then this one. It says, draw a picture of yourself holding up the Leaning Tower of Pisa. And then this one. And then there's this one. It says, look at all the animals on Africa Serengeti and draw them. So a lot of them are color sheets. A lot of them are activities. This one's in Russia. So pretty. And then this one. That one. Australia. I'm hoping I get these good enough so you can see them. And then that one. And this one says, draw yourself as a surfer in Hawaii. And then there's this one. And then it's all the kids. This says, what do you think Stonehenge was used for? Draw it. It says, draw your face. This one says, this herder in Peru is trying to find his llamas. Can you draw them? And then it's the gang of kids. And draw yourself as a cave explorer. And it's got the open little face. So you just add a face and you can color it. I like the bat. It's cute. And then this is, draw yourself hiking in the Amazon rainforest. Look at the sloth. And then this is, draw yourself scuba diving. And draw yourself fishing in Antarctica. And then draw yourself up and away in a beautiful balloon. You're flying over your home and you draw it. And then here comes the train to your next adventure. And you draw it. And then we have, wonder what it's like driving a car. Draw yourself. And it says, did you ever try water skiing? Draw yourself skiing. And then we have, draw your family having a fun at the park. And then we have the clock in London. I want to say that's in London. I don't remember the name of it. I'm totally blank on this. Really nice image. And then we have, you've been all around the globe. Now draw yourself looking down on it. It's a little space person. And then it says, help your new friends get to the pyramid. So it's one of those Tracy things where you figure out a way. Boom. I used to love doing those as a kid. And can you find 5 faces in the picture? Yep. I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I found them. They're tiny. Circle the 5 differences. See, I usually, when it comes to these, I usually just color them. But for a kid, you know, they may do it. I'll probably just color them. And then count the number of snowflakes and write the number in the box. Which vine should the frog climb to get out of the jungle? So you have A, B, and C. You figure it out, of course. And then we have color the picture and the missing piece from the puzzle. So you color and you figure out what piece is missing. Connect the dots to complete the picture. I don't know if I showed that really well on that side. Okay. Trying to pay attention to the camera. Color the 2 images that match. Climb up the Eiffel Tower through the maze. Oh, wow. Start. Need to finish. I would just color it. So it's the Eiffel Tower. And then tic-tac-toe. And circle the 5 differences. And match the images. And draw a boat by using the grid. Match the square with the images. I could never do this. I probably still can't. Can you name the country each monument is from? Connect the dots, and he's riding a camel. And the last page is color the images that doesn't match. And that's that. That is the Color the World of Coloring Activity book. I found mine at the Dollar Tree. I do know they have them at Walmart, but I think they were like 47 cents more. But they also have the crayons, the colored pencil, and the markers. And I looked these up. I got the big packs. There's also half the, I think there was 24 of the crayons. So I got my crayons, my colored pencils, and my markers at Walmart. The book I got at Dollar Tree. So look for, and at one time, I believe they had a smaller pack at the Dollar Tree of the crayons. Because I remember seeing them thinking, oh, I should grab them, and never did. So I hope this helps, Donna. Not a problem to do a video and showing it to you. And thank you guys. Have a good day, everybody. Or a good night. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty.